Hey guys, Jiven here. So in today's video, I'm going to be answering the question of, did Koreans invent the two-block haircut? Enjoy. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. Now if you're watching this video, that means that you know what a two-block haircut is, which is why you search for a video like this. This hairstyle can be commonly found in Korean dramas. K-pop idols, most of them have these kind of hairstyles. You can see people just going out like this with normal two-block hairstyle. Some people perm their hair, some even dye their hair. So now what exactly is a two-block haircut? Well, the definition here is, the most simple term to define it is a style where the sides and lower back hair is shaved or cut very short, while the crown hair is left long. So the top is left long, the side is left short. The two-block haircut is basically an improved version of the undercut, and there's many names to go by as well. Some people call it mushroom hair, some people call it coconut hair. So to put it briefly guys, the Koreans did not invent the two-block haircut. They did not. If you go all the way back to 1960s, the Beatles have a similar sort of haircut. And if you look back at 1980s, David Bowie, the actor, he also had this kind of hair. There's actually a lot of Caucasian guys that also has this kind of hairstyle, but in the past, it's not known as a two-block haircut. I just want to quickly read to you what the definition of an undercut is. So over here on Google, it says that undercut is a hairstyle that was fashionable during the Edwardian era, so 1920s, 1930s, 1940s, all the way to 2010 among men. And typically, the hair on the top of the head is left long and parted on the side or center, while the back and sides hair are buzzed really short. That's basically the two-block haircut, right? Long top, short sides, short back. So as you can see, this hairstyle has been around for a long time. There's actually not one length of a two-block haircut. Some people prefer a shorter style, some people prefer a longer style. For me, my hair usually on the top here, it goes around above my ear. But some people like it shorter, some people like it longer. You know, it's all based on personal preference. So don't assume that all Asian guys outside are Korean that rock this hairstyle. I'm Malaysian Chinese and I also have this kind of two-block hairstyle. So in conclusion, no, the Korean did not invent the two-block haircut. However, they did make the two-block haircut term popular. You might find it difficult to cut this kind of hairstyle at a barber if you're not from Asia. Because in Asian countries, if you mention two-block, they will know what you mean. If you're in the States or Canada, for example, and you want to get the two-block haircut, maybe say you want a longer undercut, or show them a picture of a two-block hairstyle. Because if you just go to a regular barber outside Asia, they might not know what the term two-block haircut is and just mess up your hair, and then you would have to take weeks to grow out your hair again. So just to give you an idea on how long it will take to grow your hair out, over here, this will probably take you at least 6 weeks to grow to this length. And the side hair is just short. You're not actually growing out your side hair. The side hair is all short, and this hair is actually from the top over here. You see that? So it falls to the side. Same thing as the right side and the back. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below and chat back next time. Thinking of a thumbnail for the video? Did the Koreans invent the two-block haircut? No, they don't.